Hey there! Do you find yourself getting stuck in a rut? Hello! I know it. Sometimes when I'm being creative and I'm trying to do my work, sometimes I just get stuck. Whether it's creatively, whether I am having problems thinking through what I want to do. Do you have that problem, Jim?
Yep.
So what we do is, to help with that, is we go out for a walk in nature and just unplug. Right now we're near one of our favorite spots here. We'll show you guys in a second. Hopefully we can actually, with all the snow we have here in Massachusetts, be able to actually navigate the path. We're only in our hikers, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. But, you know, regardless, you don't have to spend hours in nature to unplug, okay? So for me, for this day 3 of my birthday month self-care challenge, it's just getting out in nature, just enjoying it. Temperatures have warmed up a little bit here. We're in our 30s now here in
balmy Massachusetts.
Balmy Massachusetts. All right, so just enjoy the fresh air. Doesn't have to be hours, even if it's 10 or 15 minutes. Enjoy the fresh air. Enjoy the beautiful views of nature. Even though the trees are asleep right now, you can still really look at the beautiful snow and the pond. We're near Golden Pond here. And just listen for nature. Try to disregard the actual car traffic. Hopefully as we get farther into this, you won't hear that. But even so, you're still getting away from things, and it's still nice. Okay? Okay, wait a minute. Somebody created a nice path. That's nice. I think somebody was snowshoeing here. So I'm going to not talk anymore. Let you guys just enjoy the scenery as long as I don't fall. And as far as we're able to get on our nice little nature walk. You got a nice little ice rink out there. Beautiful sunset. Look at that. Well, we got part of the way around. It's actually pretty deep. We're struggling with our hikers. I think we need to get some ski shoes. Some ski shoes? No, snowshoes. Snowshoes. Yeah, I'm in Massachusetts. You'd think I'd know better. We have to get some snowshoes. We'll have to see. I challenge you to post something down below. Show me where your favorite nature spot is. All right, to unplug, just kind of stepping away from the chaos. If you do this, get out, breathe in the fresh air, listen to nature, and just really appreciate what nature gives you, you'll get unstuck. Until next time, where everything is inspirational and uplifting,
Enjoy
the moment.